Kani kediga bati CTV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
As all of you are aware that we have only 17 active cases in the state of Meghalaya today. Idang sa astang kanyungut kibalong active case yung COVID hapo ka state Meghalaya kajungi. Kibala jam baru ke long arpan rengut, those are already recovered. There are 26 of them. Then the total must be knowing it was 44 and 1 death. Then now those number of samples sent for testing till 15 June is 14,147, 14147. Kiba lafa banle nakabenta ki sampul namta testing kilong khatsa hajar sispa sa punyo. Nang tade kiba tested negative kilong khalai hajar lai spa lai. Those who are tested negative, there are 13,303. So we are waiting for the result till today. The result awaited. There are 800 samples which are sent and waiting for the result and report to come. Then those entrants, mean the person coming from outside the state, till today, those who already reached Meghalaya are 15,454. 15454. Kita berlawan fine se Meghalaya. Nampak state prepare kado mentagasi kilong katsanajar sauspa san busau.
Government was on the job in making sure that those high-risk contact or close contact to the patient is taken care of. So right now I'm happy to inform to you that the health department has taken care of everything, and till today no positive cases from the immediate or the close contact or the high-risk contact, even the secondary contact. No positive cases found.
In Tura, we can do the testing almost up to 200, 150. In Negrims, up to till today, we can do the testing up to 600. In Hongtei, the health department, kaya lalap dikata temakimdei hepo Meghalaya kajungi kini hepo asang.
Hakatuka ju ka case kalong komi ka PS komi katuka kung CRP kam. Katur kalji akum ju te opposite ka de ka Meghalaya. Te kaju kan ka case kalong hakatu kalenti ka ba syakawi ka site ka de ka Assam, hakane ka site kalong ka Meghalaya. Te nakaliang jo ka health department kila take care kata hak ba menta ka contact tracing kidang yaj, bat ya ka test su kidang yaj. Kawai ka rai ka bangisim menta ka janmet apo ka jinglam jong chief minister jongi haka review meeting kalong ngapan kan mau biang ya katuko order ka ban nakaliang ka government ka notification ka bangi issue ka khandai terik ba ka reopening of lani ka jingple ye ki yeng mane lani ka jaka ban mane blai hakaleng saudong ka jela ngi dang khang hadu ban pentip dak muai pat dan rai hada hadin badon bun ki jingkerpat na ki jaj niam ki baper hakabedei bat ka jingsha ba kin perform lani bakin le niam le rukom ya kaya tho shongkurim go jongki halaki jong ki yeng leni ki jaka manible kumta menta ka janmit na kaliang go jong ka sarkar ngila sya ya kata bat kitu ki bakwa ban le kumta kin sngau ba ban apply sya ki district administration lani deputy commissioners kenang bakin yo ya ka permission nak mentaban pendep ya kata ka jing tho shongkurim halaki jong ki jaka mane play kata ka dei ka decision lani ka rai ka mengisim menta ka janmit bat ngakerpat lang bajong pi ki media borok sngau ba ban ailem ya ka jing pentip ka jing pensyai sya borok ki niam ki baper bat ya ko order ngin penmi menta ka janmit bat ngin ai ko order sya borok ki deputy commissioners bakin le ya ka badon kam kata kadai kementa ka ba ar ka bangakwa banobdit hakmat jongpi ka interstate movement ko mo pi ngala dep ong ba ka interstate movement it is still not allowed till the end of this month tenrei ya ki local tourist ka bangi kren mata de ki local tourist na ka daw na bang pi hoi ke jingko jingkhia de ka wei ka badon kam tenrei ka livelihood jong ki beri ka badon kam de na ka daw ko mo pi ngi perkhat khia tang baya kan ngim patrai hadu bangin yo ya ka feedback leni report na borok ki deputy commissioners kumjuru na ki line department kala benlong na tourism kala benlong na kiwe ki department te ni la yo ya kata ngau pingin sa sim ya ka final decision